morning breakfast. Terry she mixes cornflakes and raisin bran together. And I got an omelet, some coffee.
And I got my Diet Coke.
She got her, yep, you got it, her diet.
Well, Diet Pepsi.
Here we are in the diamond party. What you got there, baby?
I got wait a minute, let me think about it. It's a
Let me help you with that.
Cozumel martini. That's a lot to say.
And you haven't even had anything yet, so.
And it is delicious.
Okay.
Delicious.
Me?
Cheers.
I'm responsible. All I got is straight orange
Cheers.
juice.
That's not cheer you.
Oh.
You're
Cheers.
This is strong.
Now, when we boarded yesterday, we were the only two sitting in the diamond area. We were the first two on the ship, as you saw. But it seems like we've gained a few others. But you can bring a guest, so. We are in the Leonardo Lounge.
Important, and it is one of the most beautiful days out today. We've got this gorgeous day at sea going on. We've got first up, it is so good to see familiar faces, family coming back to us. Always a pleasure. You know how we do here. And just like we all pretty long, you got your beverage operation manager, Amal. This lady over here putting together all that amazing entertainment for you all cruise long, from the production shows to the soloists to your favorite cruise director. Give it up for your entertainment director, Alona. And then back there from your fun squad, we got your bingo hostess with the mostest, Bon Bon.
Well, guess who we ran into?
Good morning.
Well, yesterday and today. It's Amal, and he's our favorite because he is the bar manager.
He's the best.
So
Really
anyway, Amal, what's your favorite channel?
Party of Two Cruises.
There
Yes!
you go. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button,
He's
right,
the
Amal?
best.
Subscribe now.
There
He's
you
the
go.
best.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
So make
See
sure
my
you look
movie.
up Amal
Yeah.
when you get on the Paradise. He'll be here till July.
Yes.
Then he's leaving. It goes into dry dock in October, and then he's coming back.
Yes, he's
So,
got to be here.
We'll see him a lot more. He gives us free. No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
Here we are with Sid. Sid is a hairstylist on here, so if you want to come get a shave, which I didn't, or a haircut, come see Sid.
Okay, guys, my name is Sid. You can see me here on the Carnival Paradise. I'm the one of the international hairstylist and the barber on board. Okay.
So if you need a haircut, come see Sid. And
Perfect.
Sid, what's your
Yes.
favorite channel?
My favorite channel is Party of Two Cruising.
That's it. See, Sid knows. Sid knows. All right, so Sid, how much is a haircut?
So usually haircut charge is for 59, but if you see it on this channel, you let me know that I have seen this channel and I've come here. I'll give you for 45. Okay.
Look at that.
Perfect.
See, there you go. Because of Party of Two
Party
Cruising.
of Two
Right,
Cruising.
Sid?
Perfect.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
All right, man. To wind down, it's 4:40 in the afternoon. Starting to wind down. What those are?
Hey, they're also from. Wait, are we on Carnival TV or what?
Yeah, we're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay, so this is an espresso martini
Right.
made by Deepak. This is,
Of course, it's made by Deepak.
and this is also an espresso martini, but he has Irish cream in his, which
Ooh, that's-
I declined.
That sounds even better.
Do I get? Is this a paid endorsement?
Do what?
Is this a paid endorsement?
Oh no, absolutely not. You can enjoy it for free.
Great. Right.
Teresa, thank you.
There's Deepak setting it all up
He's put my name on it.
with more chocolate.
Only one time, huh?
Just what we don't need.
Put my name on it. Oh, our name.
Smile more, yes?
All right, here's Deepak.
You're gonna be
Best
famous.
chocolate martinis ever. And look at him, double fisted.
Thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So good.
Thank you. So what's your YouTube channel name?
Party of Two Cruising. You already knew that. You're already a hero on there. Here I am with Brandon, and Brandon knows a lot of my old friends that worked at TPD. Jimmy Thomas.
Jimmy Thomas, baby.
And
James Arthur.
James Arthur. And he was a handful. So anyway,
I get it.
Yep. So anyway, what's your favorite channel?
Great channel?
Party of Two Cruising.
Party of Two Cruising, man. Right here.
Party of
We're
Two
Patrick.
Cruising.
Right
There
here.
you go, buddy. Thank you. See you later.
See you, buddy.
Yeah, you get no better than that, does it, folks? Here we are at dinner. Come on, cigar. I got my Carnival Paradise from Guitar.
Enjoy your drink, sir.
He's the best waiter here in the restaurant ever. That's weird, baby.
I got a garden salad.
She
with
got a
extra
garden
French.
salad, as you
Extra
know.
French.
She always gets garden salad with tons of French dressing.
Very good.
I got the pork tart. The pork tart. Second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Baby, what you got? It's
Prime rib.
the prime rib, baby,
Baked potato.
and a baked potato. I should have got a baked potato. Oh, I wonder if it's too late to order a baked potato. I got the spaghetti carbonara. Yum yum. Oh, I gotta have a baked potato now.
Touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, sweet Caroline. You sounds like a sing song. Thank you.
Terry got the banana split, and I got the banana split. We just wanted something different, according to our waitress. All right, Deepak's making our drinks. Terry got the Carnival Cosmo. I got another chocolate martini. And he's still making them up. Deepak just made us another drink.
For after dinner martini.
Terry got the Carnival Cosmo, and I got another chocolate martini.
And Deepak is the best.
He is the best. It's time for some comedy at the Punchliner. We're going now, babe.
We're already
We're not
here
going
for
anywhere.
Punchliner. Yeah.
We're going to the Punchliner. We're gonna see who is it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But they'll be funny, I hope.
We don't even
I
care.
hope.
Hopefully they're funny.
Yeah, funny.
We just saw Paul.
Hopper, Hooper, I don't know what
It's Hooper. H-O-O. P-E-R is
Why'd
Hooper.
you ask me that?
H-O-P-P-E-R is Hopper.
I don't know.
So we're going with Hooper.
Okay.
Anyway, so now we're heading to Epic Rock. We've seen that several times before, but we're going to bring it to you one more time.
Love it.
She needs to calm down.
Love it.
All right, we're going to Epic Rock. It's a great show.
It is.
All right, see you there. Where are we going?
We're already here at Epic Rock.
Oh, he's already here.
We're here at Epic Rock. It'll be fun.
Yeah, we haven't showed you Epic Rock in a while, so it's a great show, and we're going to show it to you one more time. Well, maybe a couple more times. You never know.
Fun.
All right, here's Epic Rock. It's a great show. My friend David Paige, who I'll put his link in the description below, opened on the Carnival Elation for this show. He was the guitar player that did the intro to the show. So go to his channel. I'll put that link in the description below. And you'll see David Paige and his wife. And they'll give you all the information about what's it like to live on a cruise ship.
And even spectaculars. So if you're sensitive for that, please sit a little bit more in the back, and as well during the whole.
My friends, get ready. You are about to witness an experience like never before. Behind this curtain, we've got 8 of the most talented singers and dancers on the 7 seas, and tonight they are turning up the octane with this one-of-a-kind show. I hope your voices.
There's a lady on shore, all that glitters is gold, and she's flying the stairway to heaven, heaven. Dear lady, can you hear the wind blow? And do you know the stairway lights go straight with their love.
I am with Todd, T-O-double-D on the
MIC.
on the MIC, the cruise director right here on the Carnival Paradise.
We wish you were here. Come visit us.
We'll be here. We'll be
Ciao
back.
for
We'll be
now.
back in May, but I think you'll still be here,
I'll
right?
be
May?
here. I'm hanging with
Yep,
you.
you'll be here. We'll be here in May.
We'll see you then.
Cheers.
Ciao for now.
There she goes, old crazy woman, Terry. All right, this is a nightclub. We're waiting for it to open. Here we are, 65 years old, waiting for the nightclub to open. But really, here's us, waiting for the nightclub to open. Oh God, we're old. Here we are with Evers, and she is the casino manager or host here on the Carnival Paradise. She's awesome. So when you want free money, don't come see her. She's not going to give you any.
She does have donuts.
You got to earn it. But anyway, come see Evers, and you never know what you might get, like a free steakhouse entree.
No, she likes donuts.
All right, so anyway, what's your favorite cruise? Your channel? There you go. Thanks, Evers.
Thank you so much.
And here we are in the Carnival Paradise with
Roger.
and Michelle, and they are big fans of.
Party of two cruising.
That's the way we like it, right there.
Absolutely.
So what should they do? What should they do? Hit that.
Subscribe button.
See what I don't even have to coach this guy. He knows everything.
Gotta love it.
Gotta love it. I hope you win big.
Me too.
I did earlier.
I'm glad you can loan me some.
Not that much. My wife took it all.
And she went walking that way.
She sure did. She's going to get her a donut.
Oh, nothing wrong with
You
that.
got to stay friends with the casino host, you know.
Always do.
That's right. Thank you, buddy.
right,
Thanks for
buddy.
watching, and don't forget to hit that subscription.
Subscribe button.
That's it.